everybody, we're back. Today we're talking about playlists again. Today we're talking about how to put it together, how to curate your playlist. So how are we gonna do that? Step one, you're gonna open your favorite digital streaming platform. That's Spotify, that's Apple, that's Tidal, etc. Once you open that up, boom, you're gonna go in there and you're gonna think about the type of genre that best suits you and your partner. Yeah, the reason you're gonna do that is you wanna keep in mind a few things when creating your playlist. This is a thing that's gonna be about 15 songs. It's gonna be about an hour, depends on you, could be more, could be less, but at minimum, we're gonna choose 15 songs. You wanna make sure that these 15 songs are something that you and your partner can truly enjoy. So if your partner loves rock music, you're not gonna choose soft-ass R&B. No. So you wanna keep that in mind. The next thing you wanna keep in mind is the tone that you wanna set, the vibes that you're trying to create. When you create the playlist, that's what you wanna keep in mind. So now that we're inside our favorite digital platform for streaming music, we're gonna go search up an artist, right? If you know the genre or genres that you're aiming for, and if you know the artist in that genre that you're a fan of or your partner is a fan of, then you want to start choosing some of those people. So you want to keep tone in mind. I cannot stress the importance of that. So here's an example. If I want something soft and almost jazz-like but R&B, I'm gonna go with someone like Sade, right? If I want something a little more modern but also very smooth in tempo, I'm gonna go with someone like Jhené Aiko or maybe even Summer Walker, right? These are the things you want to keep in mind when curating your playlist, okay? So if you don't know people in that genre, but you know the genre and the tone, what you can do is you can look up that genre in the platform. Once you look up that genre, it's gonna give you a list of songs, artists, and even playlists that other people have made, including the platform itself. You can then browse through there, listen, and choose some of the things that match the tone that you're trying to set for the playlist, okay? So those are the things you're gonna do. To recap, open the platform, choose artists. Next, step 3, we're gonna choose 15 songs from different artists. You only want to add 1 or 2 songs per artist. Remember, it's going to be about 15 songs if you're going for the minimum. If you're going to double that or triple that, by all means, do your thing, but you don't want to add 100 songs from one artist, okay? So once you've chosen a couple songs, you're going to hit, well, when you choose the first song, you're going to hit the options button, wherever that's out on your platform. You're going to hit create new playlist, add that song to the playlist. You're going to repeat that about 15 times, 1-5. Once you've done that, your playlist is done and ready to go. Now, all you've got to do is hit play and enjoy.